Dear students, good morning. Now we'll start with Unit 5, which is Bluetooth of modern wireless communication. So, idea behind this, it is a universal radio interface for adult wireless connectivity and interconnecting computer and peripherals, handheld devices, PDAs, cell phones, replacement of IRDA. This will embedded in other devices, and this Bluetooth or short range, that is 10 meter, and it consumes low power, and this is license free, 2.4 gigahertz ISM band. Okay, these are the fundamental things of Bluetooth. If you want to see the history of Bluetooth, the history starts with uh, 1994 itself. This is introduced, and we are now in 2025. So you can check how this Bluetooth has grown in a big way. So here the important thing which we have to check is um, this Bluetooth is a short range communication system. Okay. So now coming to the characteristics of Bluetooth, it is 2.4 gigahertz ISM band, and here FHSS and TDD, that frequency hopping is 1600 hops per second is used, and the voice link for synchronous connection oriented is used, and data link is ACL, and the topology is overlapping piconets and stop formats are used. So this is what analyzed here in Bluetooth technology. So the next one is Piconet. Piconet is the collection of Piconet is collection of devices connected in an ad hoc fashion. So one unit acts as a master and others are slaves for a lifetime of the Piconet. So for the entire Piconet it will be. So the master determines the hopping pattern, slaves has to synchronize it. Each Piconet has a unique hopping pattern. Participation in a Piconet is equal to synchronization to hopping sequence. Each Piconet has one master and up to 7 simultaneous slaves. So forming a Piconet. So all the device in the Piconet has to hop together. So master gives slaves its clock and the device ID. So that hopping pattern determined by the device, and the phase of hopping pattern is determined by the clock. So active clock and this slave has to work synchronously. So this is Piconet. Next one is Scatternet. So Scatternet means linking of multiple co-located Piconets through the sharing of common master of slave devices. So here the device can be slave in one Piconet and master in another. So it depends upon the work in which they are going to do. Communication between Piconets. Just jumping back and forth between the Piconets will lead to the communication between the Piconets. So Bluetooth protocol stack. Bluetooth protocol stack. So what are the things used? We have audio apps, network apps, telephony apps, and for this, what are the link control and adaptation protocols, baseband radio, all these things are generalized to form a protocol stack. And then baseband channel definition, we know what is piconet, and low level packet definitions, we also know how does it work. So this coming to the next topic, which is WPAN. So this is also having the wireless personal area network. The standard which is adopted is IEEE 802.15.1. So here Bluetooth data rate is 64 kilobits per second, and here asynchronous connectionless thing is used. Transmission range is personal operating space, that is up to 10 meter it can use. Frequency is 2.4 gigahertz ISM band, and security is hopping sequence. Availability is integrated into many products and several vendors. Connection is setup time depends upon the power mode. Quality of service, it is giving the guarantee quality of service with the help of ARQ and FEC. And manageability, public and private keys needed. Key management is not specified. Simple system integration. Special advantage and disadvantages are, if you are talking about advantages, already integrated into the several product, and it's available worldwide, free ISM band, several vendors, simple systems, simple ad hoc networks, P2P scaternets are the special advantages. Coming to disadvantages, it has interference on ISM band, limited range, maximum of 8 devices network, and master, high setup latency. So this is what the disadvantage of WPAN. And what can be the future development in future scope means coexistence of wireless personal area network and wireless local area network, quantify the mutual interference, and then high rate. So standard for high rate is 20 megabits per second or greater. Data rates can be 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 megabits per second. Quality of services, isochronous protocol, ad hoc P2P networking, security, low power consumption, low cost, designed to meet the demand requirement of portable consumer imaging and multimedia applications. Okay. So the next one is wireless application protocol. In WAP, the motivation is to find the efficient and transparent access to shared files within the mobile environment while they maintaining data consistency. And there are certain problems in this. They are all limited of resources of mobile computers, low bandwidth, variable bandwidth, temporary disconnections, high heterogeneity of hardware, software components. Wireless network resource and mobility components are very reliable standard file systems. So coming to the solution, replica of data, data collection in advance, all these things are important. So that is World Wide Web and mobility is coming to protocol picture, where protocol HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol, and language HTML, hypertext markup language of the web, have not been designed for mobile applications and mobile devices, thus creating many problems. Typical transfer size are required for HTTP request is 100 to 350 bytes, and response average is less than 10 kilobyte. So web pages are not simple files to download. Static dynamic content interactions with servers are also required. So that is important for web protocol. And the next one is wireless datagram protocol. Here datagram protocol creates worldwide interoperability transport system with the help of WDP, adapted to the different underlying technologies, and transmission services such as SMS in GSM might change. New services can replace the old ones. So students, with this I think you have understood the basic concepts of modern wireless communication system.